First, have a vision, then make it real. The beauty behind world-renowned illusionist David Copperfield is that he presents a vision that appears to be impossible. Then, before your very eyes, he makes it real. One moment, he's on stage. The next moment, he's disappeared. Because that's what he wanted you to believe, and that's what he wanted your mind to perceive. We had a cool project at the MGM, and so my time with David Copperfield drew an interesting realization. In business, half the battle is leading your mind and those around you to a certain perception. Perceiving yourself as hitting that sales goal, perceiving yourself as landing that account. The other half of the battle then is finding a way to move it from perception to reception. Receiving whatever it was you were targeting and realizing its reality. So I invite you to join me on my journey to be a part of our goal for realizing global market penetration and preserving people's special moments in 3D, keeping them alive forever. Shout out and appreciation to David Copperfield and his team. We had an absolute blast. My name's Riyaz, and it's my honor to introduce you to the world of 3dcrystal.com.